Good morning children, I hope class 9 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have started factorization last day, few questions we have solved examples we had seen, and it was told to complete exercise 3A. I hope many of you have done also and many of you must have started. So let's start together, let's do together exercise 3A. Here you have first question, 9x square plus 12xy. So let's solve this. 9x square plus 12xy. Here you see, as yesterday it was told, 9 and 12 you have. So you need to find out the common factor in between 9 and 12. So it is better you find out HCF of this. So 9 can be written as 3 into 3, 12 can be written as 3 into 2 into 2. Now you see what common you have, 3 common you have. So 3 can be taken out common in both. So if you are taking out common 3, then what you will be left with? And first of all, the constant term you have taken out 3, and variable term you see x square and xy you have. X square can be written as x into x, xy can be written as x into y. Now common you see what you have, x common you have. So you have common 3 and x. So you write down 3x. Now here you see, if you have taken out 3x, what you will be left with? 3 you have taken out, you are left with 3. 3 you write down. And in x square you have taken out x, what you are left with? X. And plus in 12 you have taken out 3, you are left with 4. 2 to the 4. And here you have xy, and in xy you have taken out x, you are left with y. So y you will have. So finally, if you are taking out common from 9x square plus 12xy, 3x common you have taken out and you are left with 3x plus 4y. If you need to check what you have done, that is correct or not, what is needed to be done, just you multiply this. 3 into 3, 9, x into x, x square, 9x square, 3x into 4y you do, 3 4 is 12 into x into y. So 12xy you have got, it means this is correct. So in this way, this is very simple question, in this way only other questions also should be seen properly, what common you can take out, and then you see if you want to check your answer is correct or not, just you multiply and check that. Next question we will see. Suppose you have next question. This one. Suppose you have 18x square y minus 24xyz. So what is needed to be done again? 18 and 24 you have. So you find out HCF of this. 18 can be written as 3 3 is 9 and 9 2 is 18, and 24 can be written as 3 into 2 into 2, 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12, and 12 2 is 24. Now you see common what you have, 3 common you have and 2 common you have. It means 6 common you have. So in between these constant term 18 and 24 you have common 6. So you write down 6. And in between x square y and xyz, x square y can be written as x into y, and xyz can be written as x into y into z. Now you see common what you have, x common you have and y common you have. So xy common you have. So we can write down 6xy. Now you see inside what you have left. 6 you have taken down, taken out. So 6 3 is 18, 3 you have. Xy you have taken out. So in x square y, xy you have taken out, you are left with x minus 6 4 is 24. Here you see 6 you have taken out, you are left with 2 2 is 4. 4 and in xyz you have taken out xy, you are left with z. So finally, if you are taking out common 6xy, you will be left with 3x minus 4z. Okay, now we will see question number 6. Similar questions are there. I think you will be able to solve. Question number 6, you have x into a minus 5 plus y into 5 minus a. So here you see common, if you need to find out from a minus 5 and 5 minus a, what is required to be done? Minus 1 will be required to be taken common from here, and so that it will become equal, and then common can be found out. So let's see. Here you have x a minus 5. Here minus 1 will be required to be taken common. So this will become minus y, and then it will become minus 5 plus a, or it can be written as a minus 5 minus y a minus 5. Proper steps are required to be followed and must be written also. And now you see a minus 5 and a minus 5 common you have. So a minus 5 can be taken out common, and you will be left with, in this term you see a minus 5 you have taken out, so you are left with x, and here a minus 5 has been taken out and you are left with minus y, and this will be your answer. Next we will see question number 9. We have taken x into x plus y whole cube minus 3x square y into x plus y. Here you see x plus y and x plus y you have common, so that can be taken out, and these underline for making you understand it is being done, you must not do. So x plus y, if you are taking out common from both, and here you see 3x square y and x, in between you have common x. So x into x plus y we have taken out common. Now you see what you are left with. Here in this term x has been taken out, x plus y cube you had x plus y cube, means x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. And if x plus y you have taken out, suppose x plus y has been taken out, you are left with x plus y into x plus y. It means x plus y whole square. Then minus this x you have taken out from here, and you are left with 3xy, and this x plus y already you have taken out. So now we will simplify this. X into x plus y, and here you will have x square plus y square plus 2xy, a plus b whole square, or x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 3xy, and it will become x into x plus y, and here x square plus y square plus 2xy and minus 3xy will become minus xy, and this will be your answer. Next you see, next we have taken question number 14. Rest of the questions are similar, you will be able to solve. Here you see in question number 14 you have x cube minus 2x square y plus 3xy square minus 6y cube. What is required to be done? Here in these both terms, what common you have? Here you have x square common. So if you are taking out x square common from these both terms, you will be left with x minus 2xy. X minus 2xy. If you are multiplying, what you will get? x square into x, x cube, x square into minus 2xy, you will get 2x square, sorry, x square already you have taken out, so you will be left with only 2y, and then you will have plus, here you see 3xy square and 6y cube, common can be taken out 3y square. So you will be left with, here you see y square you have taken out, 3 you have taken out, you are left with x, and minus 3 2 just 6, 2 you have, y square you have taken out, means you will be left with y. So now you see again two terms you have, x square into x minus 2y plus 3y square into x minus 2y. So in this term and this term again you have common x minus 2y. So x minus 2y can be taken out common, and you will be left with x square minus 3y square, and this will be your answer. Okay, here you will have plus 3y square you had, so plus you will be having. Next question we will see 3ax, question number 20 we have taken 3ax minus 6ay minus 8by plus 4bx. So from in between, you see in between 3ax and 6ay, what common we have? We have 3a, and if you are taking out 3a from these both, you will be left with x minus 3 2 ja 6a you have taken out, you will be left with y, 2y. Here minus we will take common, so you will be left with here, suppose 4 common, what we have 4 and b, so you will be left with plus 4 2 ja 8, 2y, and here you will be having minus x. So now you see you have x minus 2y, here you have 2y minus x. So one thing could be done, if minus we have not, means we would not have taken, if plus we would have taken, then you could have got x minus 2y, or in next step also it can be made 3a x minus 2y. Here you see again minus you take common, so if minus you are taking common, sign will be changed and this minus will become plus, so this will become plus 4b and x minus 2y. So in this step only it could be done, plus we could have taken plus 4b, so you would have got x minus 2y, or simply you would have written minus 2y plus x. In this step if you would have taken plus, otherwise in next step also can be made this. Now you see x minus 2y and x minus 2y you have common, and you are left with 3a plus 4b, and this is your answer. Next we will see question number 21. Again from here you see what common we can take. We have common a and x, so you will be left with bx. Ax we have taken out, you will be left with bx. You multiply a into b, ab, x into x, x square, plus ax you have taken out, x already you have taken out, a square we have, so you will be left with a. Here in these both terms you see what common you have, so you have common only b, so you will be left with b x plus a. Now you see bx plus a and bx plus a you have common in both, so bx plus a can be taken out common, and you will be left with in this term ax and plus b, and this will be your answer. Next we will see x cube minus x square plus ax plus x minus a minus 1. Now what to be done here, you see x cube minus x square we have, so we can take out common x square, so we will be left with x minus 1, and then here you see we have common x, so plus x we will take, so we will be left with a plus 1, and here you see minus 1 can be taken out and we will be left with a plus 1. Minus we have taken out, or minus 1 can be taken out and we will be left with a plus 1. Now here you see x square x minus 1. Here in these both terms we have common a plus 1. So we can take out a plus 1 and we will be left with x minus 1. Now again two terms you have, this is one term, this is the other term, a plus 1 into x minus 1. So x minus 1 can be taken out common and we will be left with x square plus a plus 1, and this will be your answer. Next we will see, we have a cube plus ab 1 minus 2a minus 2b square. So what to be done, a cube plus ab into 1, it will be ab minus 2a square b we will have. If you are multiplying ab with minus 2a, you will get minus 2a square b, and minus 2b square we have. Here you see what we have, a common we have, so we will get a square plus b, and here minus 2b can be taken out common, so we will be left with a square plus b, because b already we have taken out, 2 already we have taken out, we will be left with b. So finally we have a square plus b and a minus 2b, and this will be your answer. Next we will see question number 30. Again this is required to be multiplied. So here you see a square minus 2ab minus ac plus 2bc. Now in these both terms what common we have? We have common a, so we will be left with a minus 2b, and here you see what common we have? We have common c, so minus c we will take out, so that here you will get plus a and minus 2b. Now finally a minus 2b you have common and you will be left with a minus c, and this will be your answer. Next you see you have x square minus a plus bx plus ab. Again this is required to be multiplied, so what we will get, x square x into minus a minus xa, x into this will be minus b, so this will be minus xb, and plus ab. Here you see if we will take common x, what we will get, x minus a, and here we have common b, so minus b you take, so you will get x minus a. Now x minus a and x minus b will be your answer. In these type of questions we must see, first of all these are required to be multiplied. Second you see here you have got x minus a, here also you must get x minus a. If plus b, if you are taking common, you will be left with minus x and plus a, and that's why minus b will be required to be taken, so that same sign we will get in both terms, x minus a and x minus a, and finally you have got x minus a common and you will be left with x minus b over here. Next you see x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 minus 3x plus 3 by x. How we will solve this? Here this term you see, if you remember formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. If you have x plus 1 by x whole square, then what will you write? x square, oh sorry, here what has been taken, minus a minus b, minus sign you have. So if a minus b whole square you have, you will be having a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x minus 1 by x if you will be having, then which formula you will get? X square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. This formula has been applied. So if x and x will be cancelled, you will be left with x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. So here this term can be written as x minus 1 by x whole square. So directly you don't write, it will be better you write in this form first, x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x, minus, here you see 3 can be taken out common. So minus 3 if you are taking out common, here this minus 3 will be, minus 3 already you have taken, x will become plus, and minus you have taken out, so this will become minus, so minus 1 by x. Now this will become x minus 1 by x whole square minus 3 into x minus 1 by x. Now you see here x minus x you have, here x minus x you have. So x minus x can be taken out common and you will be left with x minus 1 by x, because x minus x, x minus 1 by x whole square you had, and minus 3. This will be your answer. So in this way, I think in this exercise especially, no questions will be there which you will not be able to solve. So rest of the questions whichever are left, you try to solve, definitely you will be able to solve. And next day we will see factorizing the difference of two squares. Until then, thank you.